For technology founders looking to expand internationally, Estonia offers a highly efficient bridge into the European Union's fifth-ranked tech ecosystem. This specific pathway, the Estonia Startup Visa, is strictly walled off from local applicants. It is designed exclusively for citizens outside the EU, the European Economic Area, and Switzerland. If you hold a passport from outside those zones, the program offers clear advantages. There is no minimum capital investment required. You can bring your immediate family with you right away, and the processing time clocks in at around 60 days, the fastest in the EU. This approach strips away the traditional wealth-based hurdles of global immigration. Estonia is operating a purely merit-based system, prioritizing the scalability of a founder's technology over the size of their bank account.
Before we dive into the exact steps of securing your Estonia Startup Visa, let's talk about your foundation. You absolutely cannot get approved by the Startup Committee or easily unlock EU markets without a properly structured, legally registered business entity. Most founders try to pitch their ideas purely on paper or use complicated local setups from outside the EU, and that is exactly why their visa applications get rejected or indefinitely delayed. To prove your global growth potential and commitment, your startup needs to be a legitimate, officially recognized European entity. That's where Zolo comes in. Zolo is the absolute best service out there for global entrepreneurs, handling your entire Estonian e-Residency company formation 100% remotely. They take care of all the heavy lifting for you, guiding you through the e-Residency application process, setting up your legal virtual office in Tallinn, registering your Estonian OU, and handling all your ongoing accounting and tax compliance. I've linked my full in-depth review of Zolo in the description so you can see exactly why they are my top recommendation. Make sure to use my link down below to get your Estonian company set up right through Zolo today, which will also unlock exclusive discounts and perks. Get your digital corporate structure handled first, and then let's get into the visa roadmap.
Step 1 is securing approval from the Estonian Startup Committee. You do this by submitting a pitch-style application entirely online through a platform called Dealum. The committee requires proof of progress. Your business must be at least at the minimum viable product, seed, or scaling stage. Applications based entirely on unbuilt ideas will be rejected. They also aggressively filter out traditional business models. If you are trying to open a local restaurant or run a solo consulting agency, you are automatically ineligible. To pass, your application must include a business plan written in English, detailed CVs for your founding team, and tangible evidence of market traction, like user numbers or early revenue. If your pitch is successful, the committee issues their decision in about 10 days. You receive an official confirmation letter containing your required alphanumeric startup code. The committee review is a rigorous filter. They're tasked with protecting the country's business landscape, granting that code only to globally minded innovations that can rapidly scale. With the startup code in hand, you move to the second phase, assembling the uncompromising document package required by the Estonian embassy. Estonia's baseline subsistence level is 220 euros. Founders must possess 4 times that amount, showing 880 euros per month. Relocating with a spouse pushes this requirement to over 17,000 euros for a 1-year period. Your package must include a passport valid for at least 3 months beyond your intended stay, alongside a Schengen-compliant health insurance policy with a minimum coverage of 30,000 euros. You submit these documents online through the e-consulate system, followed by an in-person appointment at your local embassy to register your biometrics. This split screen compares your 2 choices for legal status. You can apply for a 1-year D visa, which costs 120 euros and takes about 30 days to process. Or you apply directly for a temporary residence permit, granting up to 5 years of stay, costing 380 euros, taking roughly 60 days. Estonia demands 0 corporate capital investment from you. In exchange, you must provide absolute documented proof that you can support yourself without leaning on the state's social systems. Once your visa clears and you arrive in Estonia, the focus shifts to operationalizing your business. You immediately tap into the country's fully digital administration. From your laptop, register your company, file your taxes securely, and sign binding contracts globally. Setting up your entity locally provides a significant corporate advantage. Estonia applies a 0% tax rate on all reinvested company profits. If you keep the money inside the business to fuel growth, it remains untaxed. You will face some friction opening your first bank account as a non-resident. To bypass traditional banking delays, founders typically use borderless fintech services like Wise or Revolut for their initial capital and cross-border payments. After you finalize your official residency and establish a physical address, the local ecosystem opens up. You can then successfully transition to traditional Estonian banks like LHV or Swedbank. For founders building long-term roots, the timeline is clear. You become eligible for permanent residency at the 5-year mark, and after 8 years, you can apply for full Estonian citizenship. The program is built as a meticulously designed integration pipeline. It pulls promising foreign talent into the ecosystem and provides a structured path to convert them into permanent European citizens. When evaluating the Estonia Startup Visa, founders must weigh the administrative friction against the operational upside. The barriers to entry are firm. Lifestyle businesses are flatly rejected. Securing local banking requires patience, and you must tie up significant personal cash to meet the strict financial thresholds. This checklist summarizes the final verdict. You achieve a European footprint in 60 days, your company scales without a corporate tax drag on reinvestment, and your family can relocate immediately with full work and study rights. The Estonia Startup Visa offers the most transparent, digitally integrated pathway into the EU, provided you have the technological framework and the market traction to earn your place.